Welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you how to auto-send bulk friend request on Facebook. First, open the software and go to Add Friend function and set some configuration. We can support you to set this, so don't worry if you don't know how to set it. Here we have additional option to repeat action. Next step, choose a friend type you want. You can add friend by suggestion, by full name, or by UID of the account list you have. Today I will guide you to add friend by UID. Very easy, you just need to copy the UID list you have and paste into the software, then save it. After that, you can choose some configuration like remove UID after sending and duplicate UID for friend request if you don't want your account send request for the same account, and set the number of UID you want to add per account. Finally, choose the accounts you use to add friends and click Start. The software will auto-send bulk friend request on Facebook for you. Very easy, right? This software helps you save time and effort in viral marketing on Facebook. If you're interested, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp I leave on the video. Thank you and see you in next videos.